want to share with you a great solution from the folks at Bona to clean all your hard surface floors like hardwood, stone, tile, laminate, and vinyl. Assembling the Bona Premium Microfiber Mop is super simple and takes only minutes. Let's get started. To begin, insert the mop grip end into the end of the telescoping mop pole until you hear a click. Next, set the mop base down with the Bona logo facing forward. Hold the mop at the bottom of the pole with the silver O-ring facing forward and guide the connector piece into the base until you hear a click. Now let's adjust the height of the mop. The mop has a telescoping handle so we can adjust the height of the mop to fit our needs. Simply rotate the mop pole counterclockwise to loosen, adjust the pole to the desired height, and then rotate the mop pole clockwise to lock into position. The Premium Microfiber Mop comes with both a microfiber dusting pad and a microfiber cleaning pad that are both reusable and washable. To attach, simply lay the pad on the ground with the Bona logo printing facing up, then place the mop base squarely on top of it. To remove, peel off slowly from one of the corners. That's it! Now that everything is assembled, we're ready to start cleaning. A feature of the Bona Premium Microfiber Mop that I love is the extra large base plate for quicker cleaning and the flexible corners that protect my baseboards and furniture from getting damaged. I always recommend using one of Bona's effective and ready-to-use floor cleaners for the best clean. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy your Bona Premium Microfiber Mop. For more information on this and other Bona products, visit bona.com.